Anytime now, and the race is on. Golden Angge, Raggedy, down on the inside. Towan is running by Daral His Majesty. In between runners is Nine Dragon alongside Lion Face, Queen of Class, while Lucky Lord is the early trailer. Golden Angge by some 4 lengths, followed by Raggedy. Lion Face rushing up from the outside, and Nine Dragon His Majesty as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Golden Angge by some 7 lengths, followed by Lion Face. Raggedy racing in third by Daral alongside his Nine Dragon His Majesty is racing in fifth by Daral alongside Towanis, and Queen of Class is running by Daral along way back to Lucky Lord. And nearing the last 800, Golden Angge by some 6 lengths, Lion Face, and on the outside rushing up is Raggedy by Daral His Majesty. Nine Dragon Queen of Class is racing down on the inside, and Towa Needs rounding the far turn cell. Golden Angge by some 5 lengths, followed now by His Majesty. Raggedy is racing third, and moving up by Daralis Queen of Class as they race the final corner. Golden Angge, His Majesty, Queen of Class sneaking down on the inside. Raggedy in between runners is Towa Needs, and during the last 200 meters more to run, His Majesty and Queen of Class down on the inside rushing up. It's now Queen of Class, His Majesty from the outside, Raggedy, and nearing the finish line, Queen of Class by some 2 lengths now. And finally, Queen of Class, the horse of Mr. Putspuya, second, His Majesty, number 6, Towanis, Lucky Lord, and Raggedy for your fans affecta.